To stake Phantom Wallet mobile app. Start by understanding what staking means in the context of cryptocurrency. Staking involves holding funds in a cryptocurrency wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network, and in return, you receive rewards. Phantom Wallet is a popular choice for Solana, a fast and scalable blockchain. First, download and install the Phantom Wallet mobile app from the App Store. Once installed, create a new wallet or restore an existing one using your seed phrase. Make sure to keep your seed phrase safe as it is the key to accessing your funds. Next, fund your Phantom Wallet with Solana tokens. You can buy Solana from a cryptocurrency exchange and transfer it to your Phantom Wallet. Ensure you have enough Solana to cover the staking fees and the amount you want to stake. Now, navigate to the staking section within the Phantom Wallet app. Here, you will find a list of available validators to stake with. Validators are responsible for verifying transactions on the Solana network. Choose a validator with a good track record and low commission fees. Select the validator you want to stake with and follow the in-app instructions to initiate the staking process. You will need to specify the amount of Solana you want to stake and confirm the transaction. The staking period typically ranges from a few days to several weeks, during which your funds will be locked. After staking, you can view your staking rewards and balances within the Phantom Wallet app. Rewards are typically distributed periodically and can be claimed or reinvested. Keep in mind that staking rewards may fluctuate based on the network's performance and the validator's efficiency. To maximize your staking rewards, it is essential to choose a reliable validator and maintain a stable internet connection. Additionally, consider diversifying your staking portfolio to minimize risks. Always prioritize the security of your Phantom Wallet by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully stake your Phantom Wallet mobile app and start earning rewards on the Solana network. Remember to stay informed about the latest developments and adjustments in the staking ecosystem to optimize your experience.